Hey YouTube, it's Faye, and this is the second video in my little mini series of P0480 on a Mk5 Jetta. This is just checking some fuses, checking some electrical connections, cleaning some shit up. Here goes. For checking the fuses, I'm just gonna start out by grabbing the owner's manual out of the customer's glove box with their permission, of course, and I'm just gonna skip right to the back. For fuses, fuse box. Okay, here is our lovely little fuse box. Let's open this up, shall we? I haven't touched this in a while. I'm gonna say we have the 30 fuse box. So for the 30, we've got fan right here in position F24, and F24 is right there. So that's this guy right here. So with my multimeter in the noise setting or continuity setting, and you can see it's up there as well, I'm going to test this fuse. And you see those two little metal posts that are exposed in the fuse there? I'm going to place one test lead on one side and one test lead on the other side. And my multimeter is letting me know that the fuse is good, or there's continuity across the fuse. The fuse is not blown. Inside the vehicle, I just opened up the driver's side door, and you can see that our fuse panel is right here. I'm gonna use this little tool to pry off the cover. It's seen better days, but I just got this from Harbor Freight. It's actually a little hole in the side right there. This tool fits perfectly into. I'm just gonna pry this cover off. Now, if you wanted to take the fuses out, there's a built-in fuse puller right here, which is pretty sweet. Your fan in position number 40, so right there. Oh, and I actually see another fan right here in position 22, so right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna check both of these. Now, I don't know if these are for the actual fans that I'm replacing today, or if these are for the interior fans. I don't really know, I don't really care. I'm just gonna check them because it doesn't take that much time. I'm just gonna use my trusty multimeter once again in the noise position, the continuity position. Now, even though I know that all of the fan fuses are good, and I know that the fans kick on, while I've got the fuse box cover off, I'm still gonna make an inspection, a visual inspection, and then also check all of these guys as well, since these are known trouble spots on the Volkswagen. And they don't look awful, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and clean them and test them anyways. Thanks for watching! If you found this video super helpful and your electrical system is all good and you're ready to maybe replace some fans or a fan control module, then click the link in the description below and it'll bring you to my third video in this series. Thanks y'all, bye!